Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto wallet address. First, decide between a hot wallet, which is online and convenient, or a cold wallet, offering superior offline security. Research and select a trusted provider that supports the cryptocurrencies you plan to use. Remember, your wallet address is a public string of characters, like an email address, used for receiving funds. Once you've chosen a wallet, download its official application or visit its secure website. Begin the account creation process, which typically involves setting up a strong password and agreeing to terms. During this setup, your unique public wallet address will be generated. This address is what you'll share with others to receive cryptocurrency. Security is paramount. Always back up your recovery phrase, a sequence of 12 or 24 words, and store it in a secure, offline location. This phrase is your ultimate key to your funds. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Crucially, never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. To receive cryptocurrency, simply provide your public wallet address to the sender. When sending funds, you'll need the recipient's exact wallet address. Double-check it carefully before confirming any transaction, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.